Take a sigh of relief. All right, let's be honest. Life is stressful. Between doom scrolling, endless to-do lists, and that one person who always replies K to your long texts, our nervous systems are basically in a constant state of DEFCON 1. Sound familiar? But here's the good news. You don't need a week-long spa retreat, a guru on a mountaintop, or even a scented candle to fix this. You just need to breathe. But like properly. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you how breathwork can instantly calm your mind and body, faster than your phone battery dies at 1%. You see, most of us breathe like malfunctioning robots, shallow, fast, and completely out of sync with our body's natural rhythm. And the problem? That keeps us in a constant state of fight or flight. Hello, anxiety. Goodbye focus, sleep, and that feeling of not wanting to throw your laptop out the window. But the fix? It's built right into your body. And I promise, once you get this, you'll have a superpower that makes stress back off in minutes. Before we dive in, if you love content that makes your brain happier and your life less stressful, hit that subscribe button. Like this video. And hey, share it with that one friend who seriously needs to chill. You know the one. We all have one. How breath controls the brain. Here's the wild part. The way you breathe actually tells your brain how to feel. Science backs this up. Your breath is like a remote control for your nervous system. Slow, deep breaths? You signal, hey, it's all good. No saber-toothed tigers here. Shallow, fast breaths? Your body hears panic danger. Run. Even if the only thing attacking you is a pile of unopened emails. So, let's switch the remote to calm mode, shall we? Before we go deeper, let me remind you that this video is not a full-on guide on the procedure for breathing techniques. The purpose is to talk about the benefits and get you started. Here's a quick guide to deep breathing. You may not get it perfect the first few times, but keep practicing and you will improve. Firstly, make sure that you are seated upright. To begin, inhale through your nose until your belly expands and let your inhale continue expanding past your diaphragm and to your chest. Your diaphragm is the thin, dome-shaped muscle which sits below your lungs and heart. Your diaphragm separates your chest from your abdominal cavity. When you exhale, do the reverse of the inhale and try to flatten your belly at the end of the exhale. Quick and easy breathwork techniques. The 4-7-8 breath, aka the instant chill pill. First up, the 4-7-8 method. It's like pressing the off switch on stress. Here's how. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly for 8 seconds. Repeat this as many times until you feel the impact. Boom. That's your nervous system chilling out. 2. Box breathing. For when life feels like a chaos factory. This one's used by Navy SEALs. Yes, actual warriors use this to stay cool under pressure. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Repeat that a few times and suddenly, your stress levels drop faster than your Wi-Fi signal when you really need it. 3. Breath walking. Yes, walking plus breathing eel magic. Now, if sitting still isn't your vibe, you'll love Breathwalk, a technique from the book Breathwalk by Yogi Bhajan and Gurucharan Khalsa. It's a mix of rhythmic breathing and movement that turns an everyday walk into a full-body stress detox. Basically, meditation for people who have too much energy to sit still. Seriously, if you love combining mindfulness with movement, check this book out. It has tremendous benefits over just plain breathing techniques. Here are some breathwork techniques for different situations. 1. For anxiety attacks. If your brain's spiraling like a hamster on an espresso shot, try extended exhales. Breathe in for 4 seconds, out for 6 to 8 seconds. Longer exhales equal instant calm. 2. For sleep, struggle with bedtime? Try humming breath. Inhale deeply, then hum your exhale. It stimulates your vagus nerve, aka the chill switch of your body. 3. For energy, without caffeine. Need an instant pick-me-up? Try Breath of Fire. It's rapid, powerful breathing through the nose, and it's like a double shot of espresso, without the crash. This is a challenging one and requires a lot of practice to master. So, we've covered a lot. We've learned that your breath is a secret superpower. You can calm your mind in minutes with simple techniques, and you don't need fancy gadgets or a Zen retreat, just air, which is, by the way, still free. Now, learning this is great, but using it? Game changer. So I challenge you, try just one of these techniques today, right now. And let me know in the comments how it made you feel. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe if you want more life-upgrading content like this. Hit the like button, because come on, you just learned how to hack your brain. And share this video with someone who needs it. And hey, remember, you can't always control life, but you can control your breath. And that, my friend, changes everything.